The LG V20 was the first non-Google phone to come with Android Nougat out of the box last year. And to celebrate the occasion, Google bestowed it with the then new in-app search function, which operates much like the drag-a-down to search ability in iOS. You might be thinking that LG has raced to be the first with Android Oreo, but that's not the case. The V30 will launch with Nougat, though we're totally fine with that. Why? Because LG has finally hopped on board with all of the best features last year's update brought. Its OLED display brings the sought-after Google Daydream VR ability to an LG phone for the first time. You'll also be treated to an app search, split-window multitasking and, based on what we've heard from Google, the phone is being primed for the Oreo update as we speak. The visual interface is LG's own laid over Android Nougat 7.1.2, and if you're used to stock Android, there will be a bit, but not much, of an adjustment process. On our final unit, which is tied to T-Mobile, there are a few carrier-specific apps, but otherwise, there's no bloatware loaded in sight, and this trim offering is complemented by the interface's quick operation. That said, LG has included its usual batch of pre-installed apps. There's LG Health, an FM radio application, Quick Memo Plus, amongst a few other small additions. If you have a preferred alternative to these, like Google Keep or Google Fit, you'll probably install it without a second thought, but what's here is totally usable and palatable. Moving on, you might not notice on first glance, but the settings menu is bursting at the seams with interesting modes and features at your disposal. A few highlights include an if-like smart settings mode that automatically boots certain apps and toggles settings when you, say, walk into your home or plug headphones in. It's a swell quality of life touch that makes things just a bit easier for those who like to get more done with less effort. Obviously, the floating bar feature gets a shout-out here. It replaces the second screen hardware found in previous V-series phones with just a simple interface overlay. You'll have to switch it on, but once you do, you'll have contacts, quick actions and app launching just a few clicks away. Simply put, while I'm a stock Android fan with my main driver being the Google Pixel XL, the LG V30 software is a refreshing glimpse into just how palatable LG's twist on Android has become. It's fast, feature-packed and easy to use.